Hey y'all, I wanted to show y'all these little steak bell peppers that I made for lunch today. They were super yummy, so I started off by seasoning my steak with some steak seasoning, some paprika, and some minced garlic, and I gave that a really good mix. Make sure y'all season y'all stuff, because that's where the flavor be at. Like, look at that. Chef kiss. So then I went to put some unsalted butter in a skillet and then threw in my steak, and I cooked on this side for maybe like a minute or two, and then I flipped them. I didn't want to cook them too long on the skillet just because it's also going in the oven as well, but I didn't want to overdo it. And then I popped my bell pepper in some boiling water just so they get soft, chopped up some onions and let them get a little bit grilled, and then I put 1/4 cup of day-old rice and a little under a half of some tomato sauce, and then I took some fat-free cheese and some mozzarella cheese and plated it at the bottom. These things go super fast. So then I decided to mix in my steak with my rice and onions and filled her up. Yes, I did. I want to get as stuffed as possible. And then after about 15 minutes in the oven at 450 degrees, this is how they came out. And it was so yummy, y'all. Let me know if you try it because this was bomb. Bye.